up. That's our biggest complaint, that it wasn't being clean.
Coco Key was shut down in July for health code violations. General Manager Mario Mandolfo says he did not have the money to pay for repairs. Around a month later, the bank took over the property, giving Mandolfo the money and a directive to clean up the resort.
Do it, and do it correctly. Prior to that, we've tried to repair things and we used a Band-Aid instead of repairing things.
The county cited loose concrete on the lazy river floor, jacuzzi issues, and sand at the bottom of the pool as a few of the reasons for the failed inspection.
Some of the things that they mentioned were very, very important.
We're here at the Clock Tower Resort, or what's formerly known as the Clock Tower Resort.
It smells like crap, but that shit's still fire.
Oh shit. You for real?
Yeah.
What you mean?
That entrance was closed.
Fuck 12.
That's the way we got in.
There's gotta be another way.
No?
It's on right now.
We should have recorded getting in.
Alright, over here. Actually, I think I'm gonna restart it because this is
Part 2. Proof size. What the fuck up?
we got caught, guys. It's kind of cold actually.
We gotta take a screenshot or something. So we can have it as our, what's it called? I wish I had done an intro.
Thumbnail.
Yeah, thumbnail, that's what I meant to say. Where do we do an intro?
At the entrance over there on the way out, probably.
I fuck my hair at you. Why did they just leave it there like that?
For us to look at. It's not focusing.
Like, you need some light?
There it is.
What's good? That won't contest.
Bet you won't.
I bet you $10 you won't. I think I can
Ruben Explorer's doing. He's taking pictures for the fans. He's really dedicated. He loves the fans. Can't see nothing. Here it is. Parrot's perch. Got Mr. Boobnator himself. 100 likes, guys. 100 likes. We'll come right back here next week if it gets 100 likes. I bet you won't go down the slide.
100 likes, I'll go down the slide. I went down the slide already.
Yeah?
Yeah?
It's dry?
Yeah, it's fine. I'll go down this one.
Oh, my phone! You going down? He's walking down. What the hell?
Pass me the phone.
Where is it? Oh.
You gonna take a picture?
iPhone 11, guys, right here. iPhone 11.
He's mi camera.
Camera right there.
Big boy camera.
Expensive. It's
camera.
focused.
Expensive big boy camera. This is like $3,000, bro.
And that was on sale, guys.
Oh shit, never mind. I'll go.
Be safe, guys. You never know what you might find in an abandoned place. Who's only for professionals like us.
Yeah, we're total professionals, bro. Take a picture, man.
Bro?
Views.
Bro?
Yeah, tell him Joe about to take a picture.
I was recording.
Are you recording with your camera?
Yeah, so you get a little bit more footage.
Alright, but
I'll take a pic if you want. Taking out all you can't hoop. I'm gonna take the lazy. I'm gonna take the lazy river. Oh shit. It's our own adventure. Sometimes you gotta take your own route. Shit. What the fuck is this? Fuck. I see something in there. What is that? Is there a bird in there? Yeah, I'm not dealing with that. Yeah. Where's what? That right there. This.
I like this picture.
What?
This one.
Oh, this right here? This is what it was. I feel like you'd have to put your foot like right here. Oh, hell no. You get to jump down, but it might stab yourself on the glass. Fuck man. Nah, because you could have climbed it. And you could have came back and climbed it down. Yeah. That was smart than to do that. Hell yeah. But there's like a whole... Yeah. That's this fucking door I was trying to break. Huh? The door I was trying to break. Over there. It was alright. Kind of small actually. Huh? These are the only ones. I mean, those two. Those are whack. Those are for kids.
Oh, where's mine?
Fuck you. I'm pulling up in here. Hey, I heard a bird in there.
Fuck you too.
I heard a bird in there.
Bird?
Yeah.
Guys, that won't call his number. 60666. Ah, that's the devil's number. Fuck. Hey, this is RC, RC. We're exploring another day.
I was recording that. Alright, I can cut it. Ready?
I'm
Wait, let me think.
Oh, you want me to do it?
You can do
I can do it if you want. 3.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next episode, man.